Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to back up your PC to OneDrive in just a few simple steps. With the importance of keeping your data safe and accessible, using OneDrive for backups is a smart choice. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your PC. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one to use OneDrive. Once you're logged in, navigate to the OneDrive dashboard where you can manage your files and folders. Next, click on the Upload button and select the files or folders you want to back up from your PC. You can choose to upload individual files or entire folders depending on your preference. Once you've selected the files, click Open to start uploading them to your OneDrive account. The upload time will vary depending on the size of the files and your internet speed, so be patient during this process. While the files are uploading, you can organize them into different folders within OneDrive for easy access and management. After the files have been successfully uploaded, you can access them from any device with an internet connection by logging into your OneDrive account. This makes it convenient to retrieve your files even if you're not using your own PC. Keep in mind that you have a limited amount of storage space on OneDrive, so consider upgrading to a paid plan if you need more storage for your backups. Regularly check your OneDrive account to ensure that your backups are up to date and include all the important files you need. Backing up your PC to OneDrive is a simple and effective way to safeguard your data against unexpected accidents or system failures. By following these steps, you can create a reliable backup system that gives you peace of mind knowing that your files are securely stored in the cloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.